Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marion and I welcome you today for my next strategy. So, alligator indicator, RSI and CCI indicators. These combinations of three indicators is pretty powerful, like in my opinion. So, and you, if you are a beginner, you can also have a moment with this combination indicators, because I think they are pretty easy to use, they are really understandable, it's quite easy. So yes, let's see our first pair, and we see that in the last 10 or 20 minutes we are working with the bulls movement. So but anyway, the situation is pretty short. I mean, the candlesticks are pretty short. That's because we need to be really attentive whether we will go. So I have only $5 in my investment box, so let's check this situation with the put option. So guys, I'm here with my first profit. It's $9 and I'm already happy. And yes, you see, I was just going with my signals from combination indicators. First of all, you see that the green line of alligator indicator is crushing the yellow one and the red one. So it is signal for that the whole trend will go up. But anyway, you see the ends of the lines went immediately down, and I saw it before the trade also. RSI and CCI indicators showed me that the lines of the corridor are going to first of all, the RSI is going to touch a level of 30 and CCI is going to touch the level of minus 100. So, but I don't really sure that it will last a long time. And yes, I think the situation will anyway go up and we will look forward. If I tell you that now I'm giving you your first rewards from trading, it's $1,000, will you follow my steps? I believe that you will do. So now, please keep your attention, because the source I'm sharing with you is actually a key for your reward. I'm sharing with you the real-time trading signals on my Telegram channel, so all of you can gain this $1,000 just in a few hours of trading and a few clicks. Trades which I'm sharing give up to 9% of profit. So with even $100, you can gain your $1,000 easily. Remember, who doesn't try never gets. So don't waste this opportunity. Follow my Telegram channel. Link you will find in the description, and see you there. So let's give it some time and go to the next currency pair, and the situation is pretty similar, but we need to be really attentive because the situation is developing. And okay, I will challenge myself right over here because we are having not really much imbalance, and let's take this situation with the call option. Yes, guys, I'm here with my new profit. It's $70, and you see I was just going with the trend first of all. And also, if we look at the CCI indicator closely, we will see that the line is going straight up really rapidly. And also the situation in alligator indicator is pretty clear also, because after some few minutes I think the green line will have an intersection with the red one, and it will be clear signal for us that the whole session will go up. So again, we will give it some time. We will to the next pair, we will give some time. And yes, let's see the whole situation first of all. That there was pretty volatile situation in the past few minutes, and yes, you can see it right over here. And right now we are working with this rise of the price. So what I can say, we need to be really attentive because the situation is really short. And let's change the investment. I think $70 all in again and check the situation with put option. So guys, you see we are working with the bullish movement, but anyway, if we look at the RSI indicator and CCI indicator, the signals are showing me that I needed to go down for my next 30 seconds. And the signals were just right, that's because traders are giving you the combination of indicators. Like not only one indicator, because it is safely to work like that, and this is a good example of it. So let's go to the next currency pair. We are here with the downfall of the price, but anyway, we need to be really attentive again, because you see there is a green candlestick. Our current situation right now is changing. And it is going like a little bit, so pretty interesting case, I think, as you can see. And you know what, I will really challenge myself right over here, and that's because I'm changing my investment box to all in again, and I will check the situation with the call option. So yes guys, I'm here with my new profit of like $64 in my balance. And yes, you see again the combination of RSI and CCI indicators are working on my pleasure, my great pleasure. And when the trade was going, I saw the line of RSI is going like a little bit up, and CCI showed me like right now, even if it is an overbought area, the line is going like to touch the level of minus 100, you know. So yeah, it's really cool signals for me. And let's go to the next currency pair, of course. The situation is a little bit sleepy as for me, but let's see what I will have from the whole like picture. Yeah, it is pretty sleepy situation right over here. I really don't want to have it in our current moment, but anyway, alligator indicators, CCI and the RSI indicators are showing me that the price is going a little bit down, but still is sleepy. That's because I will leave it and I will go to the first one. And right now, yes, the situation is pretty messy. If you look at alligator indicator and also RSI showing the same, let's go to the next one. The situation is not really changed from our last visit, but it is also pretty difficult. Like here's like a good profit, but anyway, I want to challenge myself. Let's go with our all-in and check the situation with call option. So let's go. Yes guys, I'm here with my first $100. Going pretty good, because thanks to our combination indicators and the group of currency pairs with the big percentage of payout. And yes, you saw that, as I mentioned before, that the green line is going to make an intersection with the red one. And yes, the price is going up. And also, if we look at the CCI indicator closely, we will see that the line is going to touch the level of 100. Yes, but it was a bit risky, because if we look at the risk indicator, the line is in the middle of the corridor. So let's leave it in the situation and find the more good entry points in the next currency pair. Let's do it. The situation is not really changed from our last visit, to be honest, but anyway, it is still bearable and we still can make some money from this pair. Why not? That's because let's go with the all-in and check the situation with put option. Yes, here with my next profit, and you see that Eric's indicator, first of all, like it is showing me that the line went back to the corridor right now. And yes, the downfall is pretty rapid, and CCI was showing me the same. It were pretty good and clear signals for me to go down like right over here, and we will see. So maybe the situation will change immediately after this situation, and after some minutes we will work with bearish movement. So let's see what I will do next. The situation is pretty clear. Let's see for our safety to the whole history, and I think I made my decision. That's because let's go to the investment box of $235 and let's check the situation with put option. And I'm here with my next profit. You see, it was pretty easy situation. Again, I will explain you. So first of all, the alligator indicator showed me that the whole trend is under the indicator. So the green line is also under the yellow one and the red one. And RSI was showing me that the line is going to touch the level of 30, and CCI is touching level of minus 100. It was like 100% that I will gain my money with put option right over here. So guys, be really attentive to signals. It is the key of your excellent profits. Like I swear to you. So let's see what I will do in the last currency pair. So the trading is still sleepy. The candlesticks are pretty short and they really don't want to waste my money. Because right now we are working with pretty big sums, and let's go to the next currency pair. Trading is pretty sleepy. The second also. Yeah, and the third again. Wow. We see that the situation is still going down. Okay. Anyway, indicators are showing me that, yeah, they are kind of trembling. I mean, the lines. Let's see, let's wait a little bit, and while I'm waiting, I will change my investment box, of course, to $450. I don't for my luck, and let's check the situation with call option. Guys, so finally I'm here with my $800. I think I will stop right over here because my aim was like to give you just some example of how you can gain money from like this cool combination of indicators for a few minutes from $5 to $800. So yes, I really hope that you like this session. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, of course. So there I share useful information and my own free signals. So dear friends, let's meet in the next video. Bye.